What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another new video. OnePlus 8T is going to be official in over 2 weeks and a lot of us are excited. However, we were expecting the company to release a higher end OnePlus 8T Pro. However, based on the confirmation we have received, that's not happening. Before I tell you the whole story, let's take a recap. OnePlus has been releasing the T variants of their devices since the OnePlus 3 came out. Additionally, they have even released some special editions like the OnePlus 6T McLaren edition. So when the OnePlus 8T was announced, we hoped that there will be an 8T Pro as well. Sadly, that's not the case. Users who want the best experience should go for the OnePlus 8 Pro since OnePlus 8T Pro is not coming. The confirmation is coming from OnePlus CEO, who has confirmed it on Weibo that there is not going to be a OnePlus 8T Pro this year. The reasoning that CEO has given is pretty simple and straightforward. For anyone who wants to have the pro level experience can choose the OnePlus 8 Pro. CEO has gone ahead and called it the annual machine king and has talked about how the OnePlus 8 Pro does not have a room for improvement to begin with. Based on that statement, it makes sense that OnePlus 8T Pro will not make a lot of sense. I personally agree with CEO's statement as the OnePlus 8 Pro packs pretty much everything you would want in a smartphone with one of the fastest processor, top-tier camera and screen and everything else you would want. Making a OnePlus 8T Pro would make little sense as the upgrades would be very minor. The CEO also goes on record and talks about how the OnePlus is going to be a surprise worth the wait, which is kind of contradictory based on the leaks and reports that we have had our hands on. For starters, the leaked render showed a design that is reminiscent of the Galaxy S20 series devices. We also know what the specs are going to be, and more importantly, OnePlus itself confirmed the existence of 65-watt warp charging in the OnePlus 8T. All that is left is the official announcement that's going to be on the 14th of October next month, where the company is going to unveil the OnePlus 8T. Oppo Reno 4F will be launched on October 12 in Indonesia. The company has been teasing the smartphone on its social media platforms. It will be available on e-commerce platform Shopee Mall in 2 color options in the country. According to a teaser poster, the phone will carry a 108 megapixel camera and ultra-night selfie mode among other features. Oppo Indonesia official website shows the phone with a quad rear camera setup and a display with dual hole punch cutout. The handset will be an addition to the company's Oppo Reno 4 series of smartphones. Oppo has been teasing the Oppo Reno 4F on its various social media platforms including Twitter. A teaser poster shared by the company confirmed that the upcoming smartphone will be launched on October 12. The smartphone is also listed on e-commerce platform Shopee Mall, while the listing reveals that the phone will be available in matte black and matte white color option. No pricing details were mentioned. The smartphone has been listed with a single RAM and storage configuration 8GB and 128GB respectively. A teaser poster has also been shared by tipster Sudhanshu. The poster shows the smartphone having 6 AI cameras, quad rear cameras and 2 front snappers with an ultra clear 108 megapixel main camera. The poster also shows the Oppo Reno 4F with a pile-shaped hole punch cutout at the top left corner for 2 selfie cameras. The quad rear camera setup is seen inside a square shaped module on the back. There is no visible fingerprint sensor. Apart from that, the poster tips that handset will feature a Super AMOLED display, a 4000 mAh battery with support for 18-watt fast charging, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. According to Oppo Indonesia website, the phone will support a 6.43-inch display and will come with a 3.5mm headphone jack. The company has also shared a teaser video on YouTube. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.